Well, hi everybody, and good morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski on this Wednesday morning. Cloud cover is starting to clear out now. We had some clouds overnight, some thicker upper level clouds, but they're going to give way to some sun for much of the day today. Winds a touch breezy out of the west and northwest, but not too bad, but it will be a spectacular day for mid-January. But then we start to see clouds moving in from the northwest later today and into tonight ahead of an approaching cold front that will pass through, moving into the northwest part of the state in the evening hours, and it does bring some moisture with it. The chances are more favorable for moisture the farther north that you go. The good news is most of this is going to be rain. It's going to be too warm for much snow, especially accumulating snowfall. Most of this will be rain. Small chance around the Tri-Cities, a much better chance to our north and to our northeast. Maybe a couple of flakes flying around if it gets cold enough, but this will mostly be rain here. But I do want to point out the winds. Look at the winds on the back side of this front, which will kick in quite a bit right behind that front. When that front comes through, you will know. Northwest winds will kick in. They'll settle back a little bit later in the night and into early tomorrow morning. They'll still be very blustery, don't get me wrong, but they maybe lighten up just a few miles per hour tomorrow morning. That's as precipitation moves out of here. Much of our day tomorrow will feature partly to mostly sunny skies, but a very windy day on the way with those northwest winds very strong. This is kind of where the peak will be in the middle of the day. Look at those winds. When you get that orange color, those are gusts that are going to be over 50 miles per hour. And those winds, they'll still stick around even into Thursday night and Friday. And we're going to be talking about some wraparound moisture chances on Friday here in a little bit as well. But let's look at first out the wind gusts that'll be coming in behind that front. Here is Thursday midday. We could see some wind gusts up there around 50 to 60, maybe over 60 miles per hour. So going back, this is late tonight, and this is as the front is coming through. Now, gusts are going to get strong, but they get worse as we get into the daytime hours on Thursday. You get some sunshine that's going to mix things out. That's really going to help those gusts get strong. Let's take you into the end of the day and into the night. Thursday night, not as gusty, but still some strong winds out there Thursday night. They will still be very noticeable. Friday, they'll still be strong out there on Friday, maybe at times over 50 miles per hour, maybe not quite as strong as Thursday. That said, these kind of winds throw a little snow, and that's going to cause some problems. We'll be talking about that snow here in just a second here. So high wind watches and warnings are in place. They're essentially the same thing. Eventually, these watches will be upgraded to a warning. The winds maybe not quite as strong in eastern Nebraska. They start tonight. For the majority of us, they will continue all the way through Friday evening. Some of you, though, expire a little bit earlier than that, but that said, there may be some places where they continue. There's a continuation added on. That said, just letting you know, the winds are going to be pretty nasty the next couple of days. Bring in anything that's loose outside, flags on your flagpole, any Christmas decorations that you still have. Today's a good day to take them down anyway. Anything that's loose. Basketball hoops, we want to lower those. I'm going to put an extra weight on ours to make sure it doesn't tip over tomorrow. Put maybe some bags of sand or something on them to keep them down. Also, along with the strong winds, low relative humidity levels to the southwest. So fire weather watches are in place tomorrow afternoon in southwest parts of the local 4 viewing area. High fire danger in those locations. So highs for today before the wind hits, going to be wonderful. Mid to upper 50s, low to mid 60s. Take advantage of it, enjoy it, get outside, do something today. Maybe you have some work to do. Today is a good day to do it outside. Temperatures then tonight dropping back into the 30s for lows, but most of us staying above freezing. So by the time it gets to near or below freezing for some of you, that moisture should be gone. So I'm not too concerned about much snow out there. Tomorrow still actually is going to be above average for all of us. Upper 30s and 40s for high temperatures. That said, that wind is going to add a bite to the air. Then it gets a little colder Thursday night, down into the 20s to near 30, and then Friday is going to be a chilly day. Upper 20s in the northeast to as warm as maybe around 40 in the southwest. So it's going to be a chillier day on Friday, but that's only part of the story. It's still going to be windy, and look at the wraparound moisture that's coming here. And that's the wrong graphic here. I apologize. I thought I had the right one. Hang on real quick here. I do want to bring up a graphic here that's going to kind of explain. There it is there. This is going to explain the wraparound moisture that's coming in here. Let's start this, and we're going to start this on Thursday night at 6 p.m. And I'm going to take this very slowly. Here comes the wraparound moisture, late Thursday night and into Friday. Snow chances. Now, this isn't going to be a major snow, but there could be some accumulating snow, especially the farther northeast you go. But throw that snow in with the type of winds we're seeing, and we could see near blizzard conditions in the northeast. I don't think it'll be a major concern around the Tri-Cities, but you go to the north of the Tri-Cities and to the east, that's where conditions will be worse. So blowing snow could be a major problem out there late Thursday night into the day on Friday before things clear out Friday evening. The end of the day, Friday there to Friday evening. So again, we're not talking about heavy amounts of snowfall, but any snow at all could be a big problem when you're talking about wind gusts over 50 miles per hour. Here's the type of snow we're talking about. A couple of inches, maybe up to 3 inches up in northern Nebraska, north central, northeast Nebraska. So if you live in these areas in the northern half of the state and then the eastern third of the state, even the half inch of snow or so, you could see blowing snow concerns. So keep that in mind if you have travel plans into those locations to the north and east of the Tri-Cities on Friday, that it is concerning that we could see some major blowing snow concerns. If you look back to what we dealt with about 3 weeks back when we had those blizzard conditions, we didn't get heavy snowfall with that. It was light snow, but it blew. And again, a 2 to 3 inch snow could be a big problem. So again, keep that in mind for Friday. With the strong wind sticking around. So let's look at the long range forecast. Again, today wonderful, going downhill with the strong winds. Tomorrow cooler but still above average. Of course, that light rain before sunrise on Thursday morning. Friday, I think flurries or very light snow in the Tri-Cities, but a lot of wind still and cooler temperatures. Again, bigger concerns for snow to the north and east of the Tri-Cities with that blowing snow threat on Friday. After that, it's fairly smooth sailing. Still a little breezy Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Sunday will be the breeziest of those 3 days. That said, those winds will be nowhere near as strong as Thursday and Friday. High temperatures back to the low and mid 40s, including a Martin Luther King Jr. day. If some of you have the day off, that's one of our better days of the long range forecast. Tuesday, a little cooler, still not bad. And the lows down in the 20s. Our average high is still about 36 degrees. Our average low is in the mid 30s. So we're still looking above average temperatures in the long range there. As you see, after today, again, the big plunge in temperatures, but only one of those days is below average. We still have a lot of above average, just not the super mild temperatures as we get down the road for next week here. So with that, I have to let you go. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, contact me on the social media there at the bottom of your screen. Otherwise, I will be back with you tomorrow morning talking about a lot of wind out there. We'll have more details of your forecast tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. Otherwise, tune in tonight at 5, 6, and 10 with Kit Cloninger for your latest in the forecast. I'll see y'all again on your Thursday. Until then, take care. Enjoy your Wednesday. It's going to be a good one. God bless. Bye.